Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer receipts using Google Drive from your phone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Navigate to the folder where you want to store your receipts. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Upload from the menu that appears. Choose Photos and Videos if your receipts are saved in your gallery. Browse through your images and select the receipts you want to upload. You can select multiple receipts by tapping on each one. Once you've made your selections, tap Upload in the top right corner. Wait for the upload process to complete. After the upload, go back to the main Google Drive screen. Locate the folder where you uploaded your receipts. To confirm, open the uploaded receipt files. You can organize them further by creating subfolders if needed. To share the receipts, tap on the three dots next to a receipt file. Select Share from the options. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Choose whether they can view or edit the files. Finally, tap Send to share the receipts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.